For seniors, there's perhaps nothing worse than having your phone battery die in the middle of a call in or video chat. Today, I'll show you how to solve this problem with simple tricks. Your phone battery should always last long enough so you can use it with peace of mind. Stay with me till the end. These tips will make your life easier. Hello and welcome back to Senior Safe Tech. Now that we've set the stage, let's explore how to extend the life of your phone battery so you won't have to worry about it when you need it the most. Step 1. Lower your screen brightness. Your phone's display is one of the biggest battery drainers. Most people leave the screen brightness high, not realizing it's eating up power faster than you can imagine. So, how do we fix it? First, let's go into Settings and adjust your brightness. Swipe down from the top right corner for iPhone and adjust the brightness slider. On Android, swipe down from the top and adjust the brightness slider. But here's the smart trick. Turn on auto brightness or adaptive brightness. This way, your phone will automatically adjust brightness based on your surroundings, saving battery without you having to do anything. Step 2. Turn off location services. Your phone's location services are another power-hungry feature. While finding your way around is excellent, leaving it on constantly drains your battery. To fix this, go to Settings, find Location, and toggle it off, unless you specifically need it. Did you know that apps like Weather or Maps also use location services, even when you're not actively using them? So, if you're not navigating or need to find nearby places, turn it off. Step 3. Close unnecessary apps. Running apps in the background uses more battery than you think. Even if you're not actively using them, they still consume power. To fix this, double-click the home button on your iPhone or use the Android Task Manager to close apps you're not using. It's an easy way to ensure that no app is draining your battery when it doesn't need to be. Step 4. Enable battery saver mode. Both iPhone and Android have a built-in battery saver mode. This mode automatically reduces background activity, dims your screen, and turns off non-essential features to extend battery life. You can find this in Settings and toggle it on when you need your phone to last longer throughout the day. If this is helpful so far, go ahead and tap that like button. It lets me know you'd like more videos just like this. Step 5. Reduce notifications. Every notification lights up your screen and drains your battery. Reducing unnecessary notifications can save you power. Go into your settings, find notifications, and turn off notifications for unimportant apps. You can even receive notifications in summary at set times rather than constantly throughout the day. Step 6. Turn off vibration. If you're using vibration for alerts, it also consumes the battery. Switch to a sound alert or silent mode when you don't need vibrations. This small change can help extend your battery life, especially if you get a lot of notifications throughout the day. Step 7. Keep software updated. Lastly, keep your phone's operating system updated. iOS and Android release regular updates that improve performance and make your phone more efficient, which can help save battery life. By following these simple tricks, you can dramatically increase your phone's battery life, ensuring it lasts throughout the day and that you never have to worry about it dying during an important call or conversation with loved ones. Remember, the goal is to make your phone work for you in the most efficient way possible. These little adjustments can significantly affect how long your battery lasts. If this video helped you, please tap the like button, subscribe to Senior Safe Tech, and share this video with someone who might need this tip. Stay confident, stay connected, and enjoy the digital world. It's yours too.